So first of all, to make water drops, we'll make a base. I'm not going with the same reference. I won't be even looking at this reference. I was just showing you what we are going to do. So I'll just draw something for the base. I'll just draw a leaf. Okay, we'll draw a leaf and we'll make water drops on it. I'm not, focusing on the leaf part. I'll just make it very roughly. We'll just try to focus on the water drops. Okay, so you can just make a rough leaf shape like this. Okay. So first of all, just make your drawing very, very light. Make the leaf very light. It should only be visible to you. Okay. And for the base, I'm just using this green color. Wherever you want to make water drops, just make circles. Okay, one I'll make here and one I'll make bigger so that it's visible. You can make smaller as well. I'm making them big because I want them to be visible to you all. That's why I've made them so big. You can make small drops as well. Okay. So now you have to take your green color and you have to give it a base. Do not color in the water drops. Do not color inside the water drops. Try to go circular. When you are shading, move your hand in circles. I'll just color one part. Okay. I'm using a tinted paper. The brand is Strathmore. It's Strathmore toned gray. You can use a normal drawing paper, just that it should be more than 120 GSM, not a very thin paper. That's it. So I've given a light base here. See, whenever you are giving this medium tone, I'll just give you a trick. I'm using Brustro color pencils. Brustro. Okay. When you are giving a medium tone, just hold your pencil from the middle. Okay, hold it with like from the middle. You will get a middle tone. When you want a darker tone, hold your pencil near the tip and you will get a darker shade. And when you want it to be even lighter, hold it from here. You will get a lighter shade. That is a very nice trick to control the shades. Do try it. Okay, so I have made some base, and now I'll start giving the water drop effect. Okay. So for this, what you need is you need a black color. Okay, the color that you just used for the leaf. White. Okay, these are the colors that we are going to use. You can use a medium green as well. Okay, so whenever you are working on realism, try to use 3 or 4 colors. Don't use just one color. So what we are going to do, just half of it you have to outline, half of it. Okay, and then this is black color. Okay, once you are done with the outline, just push it inwards. Push the outline in. Brustro is better than Stedler. Yes, I find it better because they are wax based. Stedler is oil based, not very easy to blend. Brustro is wax based, very easy to blend. Like this, you have to push the outline inwards. Okay, the outline should not be visible. It should look like a shade. You have to do this with your black. Now with the same color that you used for the leaf, which is a green color, you have to blend the black part. So when we are blending, the technique that I use for blending is go one shade lighter. Like we are blending black with dark green. Okay. And go slow. Don't rush. Continue your dark green color. Like even after the black part is done, go lighter and lighter. Go lighter and lighter. and very light. Okay, it should go dark to light. Now we have made outline on one half. For the other half, we will make the shadow. Okay, so again draw the outline on the other half like this. And go outwards. Again, you have to go dark to light. This is the technique that you have to use whenever you are making a water droplet. Just color will change, but the technique will be the same. See, it already looks like a water drop, right? It's just about light and shadow. And we are not even done yet. Now we are going to add white also. Before that, you have to add some green here, just near the shadow part with very light hand. Okay. Now the best part, we have to blend this part with white now. You can use green again. The point is to blend everything, okay? Just keep doing it until it's completely blended. It should go dark to light. Let's just blend the shadow also with dark green. We have applied black, right? Just blend it using dark green. Okay, I want everyone to get anything white colored. Like it can be a white pen, it can be white paint, it can be correction pen, anything white colored. Okay. If you don't have any of these, use white oil pastel. If you don't even have that, use your white color pencil only. Okay. And we are going to make.
मैम स्केच कलर से नहीं कर सकते?
White कैसे होगा sketch color? See this everyone.